Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is actually addition question 2. So now let's get started. We write the first number 32. 32 plus 18. We write 18 here. Plus. Okay. So now let's count the first number. The first number that we have to count is actually ones. Ones, we plus ones. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 equal 10. 10. We got 10 now, and we cross the ones and put the ones in its place. Here is the ones, okay? And the tens. The tens is actually 1 here. If we put the 10 in its place also. And now we can add the tens. 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Number 7 is about words problem. Jane has 29 pencils. Devi gives her 27 more pencils. How many pencils does Jane have all together? Remember that the keyword here, all together. And also, there is word more here. So it means that the question is actually addition question. So let's finish this. 29 pencil. 29. Oops, I'm sorry. 29. 29 plus 27. Okay, 29 plus 27 now. We add the ones first. 9 plus 7 equal 16. We write 16 here, a small 16. And we put the ones on its place. The ones is 6. We put 6. And we put the 10 in its place also. The 10 is in here. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Let's move to the next question. Question number 8. For number 8, we know that it is actually subtraction because of the symbol. Okay, so let's just get started. 64 minus 25. Let's write 64 minus 25. Okay, minus. Okay, for subtraction we also have to count the ones first. Okay, the ones are 4 and 5. We subtract 4 and 5 first. 4 minus 5, it is not possible for 4 to be subtracted by 5. So we have to borrow 1 from tens. Okay, we borrow 1 here, so it becomes 5, and this one is 1. Okay, so this is actually 5 now, and it is actually 14. 14 minus 5. Now it's possible for 14 to be subtracted by 5. 14 minus 5 equal 9. And now 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, we got 3 now. So the answer is 39. Okay, so let's move to number 9. Number 9 is actually about money. So number 9, let's read question number 9. The coins have value. So for number 9, we only have to count the value of these coins. Okay, so there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4 coins, and 2 of them are 10-cent coins, and another 2 is 5-cent coins. So let's just count it one by one. Okay, start from here. 10 cent. So this is all about cent. Okay, so 10 plus 10 equal 20. Okay, 10 and 10, so 2 10-cent coin is actually 20 cents. And this one, 10 at 20, we add to 5. 20 plus 5, 20, 25. 25 plus 5 equal 30. Okay, so the coins have value of 30 cent. Okay. Okay, so let's just move to the last question, question number 10. Let's read. Tom has 50 cent. He buys milk. How much money does he have left? Tom has blah 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 cent left. So it is actually about subtraction question because Tom actually buys something and the money also change become smaller. Okay, so it is actually subtraction. Okay, so the milk costs 35 cents, so we just have to subtract the money that Tom has before and the cost of milk. Okay, so let's write here 50 minus, okay, we write here 50 minus 35. Okay, so now let's subtract the ones. The ones is 0 and 5. 0 minus 5, we cannot subtract 0 and 5. So we have to borrow as usual. Borrow from 5. So we borrow 10. 110, it becomes 10. And the 5, because we have borrowed 1 from 5, it becomes 4. Now we can subtract the ones. 10 minus 5 equal 5. And now 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the answer is 50 cent left.